Hello everybody. Happy late St. Patrick's Day. It does take a while to make these kind of videos, so I didn't expect it to be exactly on time. So, yeah, happy late St. Patrick's Day. I have to give a disclaimer though, this has valid EAS tones, so if you don't really like them, then I'd recommend you get off the video, but I get triggered by these too, so usually what I do, I just mute where the tones are. Enjoy! Let me just put this camera down. Got this weird looking box. It says on it, try your luck? Could have used a marker maybe. Scotch tape. Not packaging tape. I'll just open it. I don't even know what could be in here. Whoever did this packaging did a great job. My God. Oh! Look at that. $2. Or like $2. Huh. I mean, hey, it can't be that bad, right? $2? I could probably save up for something.
Ooh, what's that? I'm gonna go check it out. It's a package? What does it say? Try your luck. Seems cool. I open it and I see this rod. Why does it say unlucky?
The following message is broadcasted at the request of the Columbus Police Department. At around 4:45 p.m., it has been reported that an explosive device was put inside of a box, convincing the opener to try their luck. Once opened, the explosive device would detonate, killing the opener. As of now, it is currently advised that you do not open any suspicious boxes or packages left on your front door. Stay tuned for more updates of the current situation.
Who's at the door? Oh, a box. Didn't order it. And also that'll work. Could be the bomb.
Snowy.
What? Who's there?
No, that doesn't matter. Open the box.
No, I'm not opening it.
But Snowy, I think the two of us know you want to open the box, don't you?
I don't. Just get out of my head.
Oh, Snowy. I'm not getting out of your head anytime soon. I mean, not until you open up the box, of course. Go on. Try your luck.
Fine. Here, is this what you want?
Welcome to Channel 8 News, serving the Columbus area since 1979. Breaking news today as a dangerous event is occurring. Boxes have been placed on people's doorsteps, telling them to try their luck. When opened, some had a cash prize, while others had a bomb in them, killing the opener. Residents were recently advised not to open any boxes. On next, our weather forecast.
The following message is transmitted at the request of your local government officials. At around 12:34 p.m., the incident regarding the mysterious boxes has become increasingly dangerous. Witnesses have reported seeing victims of these boxes talking to a non-existing person. This voice pressured the victim to open the box. When opened, a bomb exploded, leading to his death. Residents are advised to stay indoors and to not listen to any voices telling them to open a box. Stay tuned for further instruction and details about this situation. The following message is broadcasted at the request of the Columbus civil authorities. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for Columbus, Ohio, until further notice. The recent box attack has become too dire of a situation. You are to evacuate Columbus immediately. Failure to do so may result in your death. Evacuation routes will be escorted by the local police. I repeat, evacuate Columbus now. City of Columbus is not safe.
You think you can escape me by evacuating your stupid little city. Hate to burst your bubble, but you're not able to do that. Because no matter where you go, I'll be right there. So, I think we all know that today's your lucky day, isn't it? So why not you go ahead and open the box? Yeah, go on. Try your luck.